The U.S. Federal Reserve has cut interest rates for the first time in 4 years by 50 basis points, which is a major shift. South Korea's finance authorities are monitoring its impact. Our Moon Hye-ryeon has the details.
On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve delivered a significant interest rate cut for the first time since 2020, indicating that central bankers believe they're making headway against inflation. The 50 basis point reduction brings the benchmark interest rate to the 4.75 to 5% range. Apart from emergency rate deductions made during the COVID-19 pandemic, it's the first time since the financial crisis of 2008 that the Fed has made a big step in rate cuts. Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged the move reflects a shift in focus to protecting jobs after months of falling inflation, which dropped to 2.5% in August.
This decision reflects our growing confidence that with an appropriate recalibration of our policy stance, strength in the labor market can be maintained in a context of moderate growth and inflation moving sustainably down to 2%.
Fed policymakers also projected further rate cuts worth 50 basis points in the coming months, signaling confidence in its ability to manage the economy. During a macroeconomic meeting on Thursday following the Fed's announcement, South Korea's Finance Minister Choi Sang-mok commented on geopolitical uncertainties that could lead to market volatility. In light of the outcome of the latest FOMC meeting, the Finance Ministry aims to keep a close eye on shifting conditions.
In the event of excessive market volatility, we will be prepared to implement prompt market stabilization measures tailored to specific circumstances as outlined in our contingency plans.
He also addressed the continued slowdown in domestic demand and surge in household debt, which could influence the Bank of Korea's interest rate policy next month. The BOK also commented on how the pivot in U.S. monetary policy is expected to impact the foreign exchange market volatility positively. What was formerly an all-time high interest rate gap between the U.S. and South Korea has now fallen to 1.5 percentage points as the BOK's benchmark rate stands at 3.5%. Moon Hye-ryeon, Arirang News.